how to turn drawing into animation using your phone. So hello guys, in this tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, we will simply use Google Chrome in our phone. So click on Chrome. Now open new tab. Here you guys will search for drawing to animation. Once you search for that, you guys will click on that first website, Animated Drawings, Meta. Once we click here, you guys will accept the cookies. After that, you guys will see upload photo option, so simply click on that. Now upload photo of your drawing. Now wait for something, and here you guys will see next, so simply click on next. Now it will start scanning, so we'll wait. Here you guys will see automatically it was added in cube, so after that click on next. Now wait for some seconds. Now here you guys get eraser auto marker, so you guys can adjust your drawing, and also you guys can skip that process, so you click on next. Now wait for some seconds. Here it will add automatically bones to your drawing, so now we will simply click again on next. Now wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see on down add animation, so you guys can see all dance, funny jumping, walking. So you guys can add your favorite animation. For example, I want to add dance. So I'll simply click on dance. And now here it will start adding. So let's see how was the result. Here we go. Our drawing was start dancing. So that's how you guys can do that. For downloading that video, simply click on share. Now here you guys will see save. My file saved to my file. So simply click on that. And once you do that, your video will be downloaded. Thanks for watching.